Hey guys, today let's learn to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So if you guys are wondering how to disable the end-to-end encryption over on the Messenger application in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to turn this off step by step. So what we need to do first in order for us to do this is to, of course, launch the Instagram application. Now, once we're here, we need to go ahead and tap on our accounts and then tap on the settings over on the three lines. Tap on settings and privacy, and I want you to scroll to the option to access our end-to-end encryption. So if in the case, guys, that you have a specific chat that is actually having the end-to-end encryption on a specific chat, well, I just want to go ahead and correct myself with what I said a while ago, but it's not going to be located on the settings option. What we need to actually do is to proceeding to the specific chat that have the end-to-end encryption on. And then what I want you guys to do in order for us to actually turn this off is to easily go ahead and just delete the whole chat. So in order for us to do that, just tap on more and then tap on delete. Now, once you have done this will actually remove all of the specific chat controls and privacy settings that is enabled on that chat. And once you search for their name once more, you can actually now proceed with chatting with this person without the end-to-end encryption on Instagram. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.